The district task force had several rounds of meetings, and it is an uphill task for the officers and the doctors, the frontliners for Mon district, because Mon district is the only district which has the border with the two states, that is with Arunachal and Assam, and international boundary with the Myanmar, and two entrance with the districts of Longling and Tueng Sang. And there is no confined entrance in regarding to all these borders. The boundary with Assam, it has 13 areas where it is available for people to go to Assam, and for Arunachal there are 7 to 8 entrance point, exit point, and also with Myanmar there is no boundary as such. Therefore it is easy for people to come in and come out. Therefore it is an uphill task for the district task force to really go ahead with the preparation. Yet the frontliners, the government administration, the police and the civil societies, I have, as a minister, has appealed the civil societies to cooperate with the government, and likewise the civil societies, the Konyak Union, the Konyak Students Union, and the Konyak Union of Pizit area, and also the Pizit area Students Union, they are doing very tremendous work in sealing the boundaries. Mon district, we have not diluted, neither we have deviated from the national policy of lockdown, and the lockdown is completely with the neighboring states and also with the districts as well as with the Myanmar. Coming to the preparation in the medical hospitals with the doctors, I had the interaction with the doctors, and the preparation in the COVID hospital in the district for Mon is tremendous, and I have seen the doctors are well prepared, except there are some unavoidable circumstances which I will later on highlight. Coming to the police are doing tremendous work. I myself have witnessed that they have sealed the boundary with the Assam, and also the VGs. They are doing exceptional duty in sealing all the boundaries of Myanmar. Therefore, it is an appeal for the government of Nagaland to give a special attention, a type of relief or extra gratia to the VGs for the duty which they have tremendously done. Second point, coming to the preparation, I appreciate the Nagaland Post that it has rightly published that the Mon district is purchasing the PPEs, 90 pieces of PPEs and 500 pieces of N95 masks from China, and the consignment will reach Bangalore through Hong Kong, and we will be getting the consignment within this week. This will boost the doctors and the frontliners to protect the people of Mon district. And as I've said, it is a difficult task for Mon district and also for the COVID-19 task force to contain the virus in Mon district. That is why from the day one I have been here in the ground with the civil societies and with the administration and with the doctors working hand in hand. And in the due course of preparation, we have found that I have visited the civil hospital, which is also the COVID-19 hospital for the district of Mon, that the equipment which was sent by the Health and Medical Welfare Department, the doctors had been saying that the materials which are sent by Kohima is a substandard. Therefore, I had physically verified, I had physically seen the equipments, and the doctors, as per the declaration of the doctors, I have suggested that if the equipments which is found to be substandard should be returned to Kohima exactly according to the as per the suggestions and advice of the government of Nagaland. Therefore, I'm sure whatever is substandard will be sent back to Kohima. It has been already collected and handed over to Deputy Commissioner. Again, coming to the preparation with the students coming back from and also the standard people coming back from the state of Nagaland, from Dimapur and Kohima. We had a review meeting in Tizip today, and in which we have discussed that students coming back from Dimapur and Kohima will be quarantined in their respective villages for 28 days. Although the NLU has declared and given guidelines that it will be for 21 days, but it is felt that the task force felt that for Mon district, that in Mon district 28 days is a must. Therefore, any students who would prefer to be in the quarantine for 28 days can submit the names to the Konyak Student Union office so that preparation can be taken in advance before the arrival. And in district of Mon, COVID-19 task force includes the civil societies and also the public leaders. So in Mon district, there is no issue about any differences between the civil societies and then the administration. We are working hand in hand, and whatever we have been doing is all because of the contribution of both the sides. Therefore, in the days to come, even in the days to come, I have appealed the civil societies and also the student organization to come forward and work together. Yes, indeed, during this process, there will be much difficulties because it is a lockdown and we cannot perform the life as normal. But we have to bear these issues, we have to bear these difficulties to achieve health and also to achieve economy in the days to come. Therefore, it is my humble appeal to the public of Mon district that we have to bear and tolerate and also appreciate and respect the frontliners, the police and also the doctors. They are the frontliners. We should appreciate their efforts and also we should stand by them. And also I appeal the public to bear these inconveniences and also the civil societies and the church organizations to wake up and do as Samaritan work for the people of Mon district. Thank you. God bless you.